GOSPOWER Manufacturing Center stands as a premier hub for inverter production. With a 2,000 square meter laboratory divided into 8 experimental areas, over 200 testing devices, and 29 comprehensive testing items, we maintain strict quality control. Covering an area of 120,000 square meters, GOSPOWER owns 57 production lines, ensuring stable and efficient manufacturing. Employing more than 2,000 staff, including 400 R&D engineers, GOSPOWER's expertise drives innovation. Our SMT line showcases advanced technology, and we're proud to hold the CQC Intelligent Manufacturing Level 3 certification. Leveraging the IMS system, we achieve full process traceability. In the inverter production process, the DIP line offers advanced operations like automated milling cutter panel splitting. A series of meticulous steps follow, from fixing heat sinks and inserts, manual plug-in inspection, automated AIOI inspection, ICT tests, and ATE tests, to aging and thorough assembly inspections. Before shipment, every product goes through multiple rounds of tough testing, including function tests, to make sure quality doesn't slip. This thorough process guarantees each one of GOSPOWER's product meets the highest performance and reliability standards. After these steps, products are carefully packaged, stored in GOSPOWER's warehouse, and prepared for shipment. GOSPOWER is committed to leading technological innovation. With sustainable solutions, we deliver top, reliable inverters and lithium batteries that power a smarter, more eco-friendly world.